Welcome back to the SOA for AI series. So, you've shipped your AI service into production. Users are pinging your endpoints, data is rolling in, and predictions are flying out the door. But let me ask you this. Are you actually logging the right things? And even more important, are you logging securely and without grinding your service to a halt? Today, I want to show you how to nail asynchronous logging and lock down your API like a pro. Here's the deal. Logging isn't just about squashing bugs. In the AI world, logs are the backbone for tracking which users hit which models, analyzing how those predictions are used, and even spotting data drift before it bites you. You need logs to prove compliance, especially if your models touch sensitive or regulated data. But here's what trips up so many teams. If you're logging every request synchronously, right in the middle of your API response, you're adding latency, risking log loss, and scaling is just a nightmare. That's why I'm all about asynchronous logging. Here's how it goes. A user hits your AI prediction endpoint. The model does its thing and returns a prediction. But instead of writing the log right then and there, you push a log event into a message queue. Think Kafka, RabbitMQ, or even Redis streams. Then a separate worker service listens for those log events and writes them into your secure database or cloud storage. This pattern decouples logging from your main API workflow. Users get near-instant responses and your logs are processed safely in the background. But hold up, let's talk security. Logs can be a goldmine for attackers if you're not careful. Here's what I recommend. First, always mask out any sensitive user data, inputs, outputs, whatever, before you log a thing. Validate every API request with signed JWT claims so you know exactly where each request is coming from. Don't forget to rate limit your logs per user or token to prevent abuse. Store your logs in immutable storage like AWS S3 buckets with versioning turned on. And here's a pro move: monitor your logs for weird patterns, like a sudden flood of predictions from a single IP. That can be your early warning for an attack or a bug. If you want to go the extra mile, encrypt your logs with model-specific keys. That keeps your log data safe and sound, even if someone gets access. So, to wrap it all up, asynchronous logging plus solid security practices equals fast, reliable, and auditable AI services. This is how you build AI for the real world. Thanks for tuning in, and keep shipping smart.